thinking of you, thinking of you.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my banner. So to make my banner, I use this app called PhotoGrid. I also use CapCut to edit, YouTube Studios, and also YouTube to upload my videos. Anyways, let's go on to this app. So I'm going to create a banner using this. So we're going to put in text. So we're going to put in Kez Records. And it's going to change red because I was making a Halloween banner not long ago. So now you're going to want to choose your colour. To what colour you want it. I want it like a purplish. Let's do this one. I like this one. Okay, so now we're going to add an image. I also use this phone on my this app on my phone called Eraser, which I'll put a picture up right here on the screen. And this helps me do pictures like this to get rid of their background, so I can put like little kittens and everything on my YouTube banner. We're also going to add another image, which you can also see on my thing, which is this little game controller. I'm gonna pop this here. Okay, and also I'm going to be adding a like button, but let me go get that quickly, guys. So I'm just getting this like things. I found this one that I really like, so I'm going to add it to my photos. And we're going to open the Eraser app, and then we're going to add this in. Then we want to click Erase and Target Color. Put the target color to green, and then we're done. We share it, go wait for the ad to come up, and then we save it. Yes, okay. Okay, let's go back over to my iPad. Okay guys, so we're back on my iPad now, and we're going to add this like and subscribe button. We're going to make it a bit bigger, just on top of the thing. Then we're going to save it, save in the corner, and not now. Then we're going to press the three dots, and we're going to save the image. So now we're going to head over to my YouTube channel. So here's my YouTube channel. It says under here, edit channel. I click that. Then click this one, choose from photos. I'm going to choose this photo and then position it how I want. And then press save. And there you go. Then it's uploading. And here we go. Here's my YouTube banner. As you see, I could have made it a little bit bigger if I wanted to. But that's my YouTube banner. So that is how I make YouTube banners. The next video will be how I make a profile picture. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Get